Just imagine you are the father. The child has been made a ping pong ball. She is a minor. She is of tender age. If you go on running with her from one place to the other, oh, what can the child do if she falls sick? She is a child. She is not a machine.
I know.
Then what can be done if the child falls sick? What do you have? Do you have any suggestion to make? The court cannot direct the police to go and bring your daughter back to you. That is not done.
My lord, I am for the respondent number 7,
I'm for the
husband,
petition
and
in
I have filed a contempt application before your lordship.
I have filed an application for modification of your lordship's order, my lord.
Who are you?
I am for the petitioner, my lord.
You are for the petitioner.
This is that matter, my lord, regarding custody of the minor child, my lord.
Where is the child now?
Child is with me, my lord.
And she is not going to school.
No, my lord.
Why? What do you want? The child to remain in?
Certainly not, my lord. The child become ill, my lord. She is under treatment, my lord. Doctor advice for rest, my lord. I have the document. I have arrest those prescription along with my application, my lord.
If you go on doing like this, the child will fall sick. Once to the father,
No, my lord.
then to the mother.
My lord, father.
I do not want to hear anything. What about your custody petition? Did you file any application?
No, my lord, I have not filed any application.
You have not filed any
No, my lord.
petition. Has the father filed any petition?
My lord, the petitioner already filed for the custody
Petitioner filed for custody.
under the Domestic Violence Act. My lord, kindly see my supplementary, my lord. I have annexed.
Your client did not give proper advice to you.
My lord, under the Guardian and Wards Act, my lord, I have not filed any application. I have filed
You filed an application for taking custody. He says you have done it under the Domestic Violation Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act.
That application I have filed, my lord, under the Domestic Violence Act, my lord, but I am not aware about that whether custody of the child has been paid for or not.
He says that there is a prayer.
I am not aware.
My lord, kindly come to the page number 17 of my contempt application, my lord. Your lordship order, my lord.
Yes.
My lord,
it was only an interim arrangement.
Petitioner have knowledge, my lord, on that time, my lord.
The order was passed as an interim arrangement. And the child, when did the child fall sick?
My lord, on 27th July, my lord, the father handed over me when she was sick, my lord, with some medicine, my lord. Thereafter, I taken her to doctor, my lord. She was under treatment of doctor. Doctor advised for rest, my lord. Thereafter, I again handed over to the respondent, my lord. After few days, the respondent handed it over to me, my lord. Thereafter, again, the child feels sick, my lord.
It is only during the weekends that the child will remain with you, and the school days, the child was supposed to remain with the father.
And my lord, one information, my lord, my lord, the child who did not participate is examination, my lord. This
on 20th July,
examination was held up, my lord.
Just imagine you are the father. The child has been made a ping pong ball. She is a minor. She is of tender age. If you go on running with her from one place to the other, oh, what can the child do if she falls sick?
My lord, see, my lord.
What? Tell me what?
My lord.
You are not agreeable to stay with your wife? You have to come to an arrangement.
My lord, I follow your lordship order, my lord.
She is a child. She is not a machine.
I know.
Then what can be done if the child falls sick? What do you have? Do you have any suggestion to make?
My lord, they are making excuse, my lord. My lord, kindly see the prescription, my lord. They have annexed. The loose stool, there's a mention.
Yes.
And my lord,
it is not a problem with the child.
After handed over the child to her mother, that incident happened, my lord.
It can happen.
It can maybe happen on
then
my lord.
What can be done? 5 years or 4 years of age?
5 years, my lord.
5 years of age. Try to come to a reasonable understanding. Be practical. At least rent a room where you can keep your wife and your daughter over there.
My lord, due to the petitioner torture, my lord, the husband is not able, my lord.
Keep her somewhere else with the daughter. You don't stay. That you can arrange at least. You are the husband. You have got a responsibility towards your wife and your daughter. Then what can be done? The court cannot direct the police to go and bring your daughter back to you. That is not done. A fear psychosis will grow within her. You are an adult. You'll go on fighting with your wife and you want your child to cooperate with you. It's impossible. It cannot be helped.
Oh, madam,
What is to be
dispute
done?
between husband and wife, my lord, the child will
Then what is to be done?
My lord, husband is not ready to, my lord.
Then let the child remain with the mother. You approach the court for taking custody of the child.
My lord, the petitioner already filed, my lord. Already filed for the custody, my lord. Same pair, my lord, in the High Court and the Learned Court.
You take steps for custody if you want your daughter to be there with you.
Custody, my lord. I have the custody from the first time, my lord.
Now she is not with you, admittedly. She is with the mother. And now mother is also the same thing.
Lordship order, my lord.
How do you execute this order? Will the court direct the police to take the child and give it back to you? You say, what is your submission? What do you propose?
I will request to your lordship kindly ensure the High Court order, my lord.
How? Yes, tell me how.
Both side, my lord.
What will the both side do? I can see what the both side is doing.
My lord, I am follow the High Court order, my lord. My lord, day, every Friday, my lord, I hand it over.
Why are you making the same submission? Now the child is fit. Let her resume classes.
What I am saying, my lord, let the child remain with my custody, my lord. I shall take steps to attend her school, my lord.
The school is very far off from your place.
Distance from the place where father is staying and I am staying as almost same, my lord. I am taking the responsibility.
No, listen. I directed the child to remain with the father, keeping in mind the distance of the school from the house.
No, my lord. It is almost same. Both the distance is almost same, my lord. From my place and father place, almost same, my lord. I am taking the responsibility to attend the school, my lord. I am
again. You are doing the same thing. She is only 5 years of age.
My lord, there is no female members at the house of the father, my lord. Female child, my lord. She
you have your mother over there?
Yes, my lord.
No, my lord.
Mother and
mother residing elsewhere, my lord.
Mother and elder sister, my lord.
Residing elsewhere, my lord. Residing elsewhere, not residing with her, my lord. She is residing in a rented place.
No, my lord.
She is staying at Behala.
My lord, your lordship order.
When you go to work, the child, after she comes back at school, who takes care of her?
My lord, my elder sister and my mother.
Mother is staying at Chodial, my lord. On instruction, I am submitting, my lord.
My lord, both are residing in a Thakurpukur, my lord, where the school are situated.
We are in a writ petition. Now the court will go and find out who stays where.
My lord, the house of the sister, my lord. The petitioner cannot able to stay his own house due to, my lord, the false cases, my lord.
Now the petitioner, or you?
My lord, the husband, my lord.
Husband stays in the sister's place.
Sister's place, my lord.
And sister is married.
Sister's married.
Why will you take your child over there?
My lord, I am not able to stay my own house due to the false cases of the petitioner, my lord.
And the child is going to roam around.
My lord, child.
How much money do you pay to your wife and your daughter? How much do you pay?
My lord, I will take instruction, my lord.
Do you get anything from him?
No, my lord.
My lord, they already filed maintenance, my lord.
That is different. How much do you pay? Your wife is there taking care of the child, medical prescriptions and everything. How much do you pay?
My lord, 105, my lord, 1,500 for the first time, my lord. I want to give, but he refused
1,500
for the medical treatment, my lord.
medical
For the
treatment.
medical treatment, but she refused, my lord, at
Yes.
the Bata Mode when I handed over the
Yes.
child.
Hmm.
And thereafter, they are not ready to take any amount due
That
to the
apart,
maintenance case, my lord.
that apart, you are not paying anything to
My lord, they
the.
are not ready to receive, my lord.
All
I am
right.
ready to pay the
How much is the fees? School fees?
school fees, my lord. I take instruction, my lord. I don't know, my lord, the fees.
Give me the distance of the school from your place, and you give me the distance of the school from your place.
My lord, now presently I am residing near to the school, Thakurpukur.
I do not know.
At his sister's placement, married sister placement.
And your sister doesn't have any children?
Milord, one
Yes, my
daughter
lord.
was there, Milord, due to torture, she suicide.
My lord, this is a very false allegation, my lord. My lord, the daughter died due to the matrimonial torture, my lord. And the sister have a one, my lord, son.
Listen, it is better the child stays with the mother and you pay for the for your daughter and your wife. This will be good for you, for the child also. Do you get it?
Yes.
Try to be reasonable. You as a counsel think it from this way. Don't put yourself in the place of the your client. Then it will be difficult for you. Maintain a balance and see your sister has a son and your mother is there. This child is only of 5 years of age. So for all purposes, practical purposes, the child should stay with the mother. Give me the distance, or if you can make a separate arrangement for your wife, then that is also, I'll permit you. Any place close to the school or your house or wherever you get, your wife and your child will stay. If you can arrange, this can also be done. Have you followed? What is your application?
My lord, contempt.
What is your
For
application?
modification, Milord.
Where is it? Is it there in the list? Acha. What is the modification that you are seeking?
Kindly see page 12, my prayer, Milord.
Yes. Did you get a copy of the application for modification?
Sir,
Yes,
Milord.
Go through it. I'll fix both the matters next week. Please come. An application for contempt has been taken out by the private respondent, alleging violation of the direction passed by this court on 2nd July 2024. Stop. An application for modification, paragraph away, has been filed by the writ petitioner praying for modifying the direction passed by the court on 2nd July 2024. Stop. Paragraph. Heard submission made on behalf of both the parties. Stop. Paragraph. It appears that the minor child, minor daughter of the parties is currently in the custody of the mother. Stop. She is reported to have been suffering from some medical ailment and is under treatment of the doctor. Stop. The child is also not in a position to attend school. paragraph. Learned advocate representing the the parties are directed to place before this court the approximate distance of the school from their respective residence. It will be open for the private respondent to make alternate arrangement for lodging of the writ petitioner and their minor child. Stop paragraph. Let the matter appear in the list on 10th September